Welcome to Bamfordrose and another question of the week. This week it's the perennial issue of mirror stalk corrosion. So as you can see from the picture, this is fairly typical of what happens. The absolute wafer thin bit of paint that was put on the mirror stalk from production, from original build, gets very upset with air moving across it, because that's all it takes, a waft of air, and it will lift that paint off. And you're left with a little bit of unsightly mirror stalk. So very simple option for this. Remove the stalk, so that's door card off, the front quarter light glass has to come out with the assembly, so it's a little bit tricky. Then you can strip it, send off the mirror stalk for powder coating, and reassemble everything. So it takes a little bit of time, obviously, because the mirror stalk is away for powder coating, and it's a bit of time to disassemble, but it's worth it, because once it's powder coated and it's properly now coated for the outside environment, it's going to last for years. I've seen people do this, but I've seen people mask up around the area and then spray paint it. Again, this is just making it look good for the temporary short term, but the paint is going to flake off eventually, and you can never properly clean it when it's in situ for the paint to properly adhere anyway. So one time fix, do it properly, powder coat them, job done.